Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 1. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. Here you see number 1 is AD. Here you see number 1 is AD, this side AD is equal to, this side is AD. You see this side is AD. That means here you see this side AD, right? It is a parallelogram, therefore AD is equal to CB, right? AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB, right? What is the reason? That in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in length. In a parallelogram, the reason is in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Number 2, angle DCB. Here you see angle DCB. And number 2 is angle DCB, means this angle DCB. That means here you see, that is DCB means this angle, DCB, this angle, and this angle will be equal. That means opposite angles. That right? Therefore, angle DCB is equal to angle DCB is equal to angle DAB, is equal to angle DAB, because in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, the reason is in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Now see number 3, OC 3. OC is equal to OA. OC is equal to OA. That means OC is this side, O to C, and this one OC this side. OC means this side is equal to this side. OC is equal to OA. What is the reason? OC is equal to OA. That is, in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals, 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 diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect, bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. It's question number 3. And now question number 4 is question number 4. That is measure of angle DAB, DAB, measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle plus measure of angle CDA, CDA. Measure of angle DAB, DAB means this angle. Measure of angle DAB, DAB means this angle, right? Plus CDA plus CDA means this angle, right? Here you see these are adjacent angles, therefore, right? Therefore, you can say that in a parallelogram, the adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. Therefore, a measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. The reason is that in a parallelogram, 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 adjacent angles are supplementary to adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. In a parallelogram, adjacent angles, adjacent angles, adjacent angles, adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. Are adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. SU, supplementary. In a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary, supplementary to each other, to supplementary to each other, supplementary to each other, to each other. Right? In number 1 you see that AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. That because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Angle DCB is equal to angle DAB, because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So this angle is opposite to this angle, right? OC is equal to OA, because in a parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Number 4, measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree, because in a parallelogram adjacent angles are supplementary to each other. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.